Hey, I'm Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, it's really nice to meet you. Today, I'm gonna do a prom type of look. So if you are looking for a neutral color kind of look that is full glam at the same time, keep watching the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pull from my Miami Lights palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put that all over my lid. So this will be a halo eye kind of look. I am not taking this eyeshadow farther out than my eye like I usually do. If you watch my videos regularly, I will bring my eyeshadow out pretty much like that. No, it's more like that. But I'm not gonna do that today. I also already put white eyeliner on my waterline. You could do black. However, if you do white, it makes you look more awake and kind of opens up your eyes a little bit and makes your eye color pop. I'm really focusing this color on my crease. It's okay if it's not blended right now. We will go back and blend it later because we will be adding colors on top of this and we need to blend those together. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fireside palette. This palette is Ipsy exclusive. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a makeup subscription box. So if you want to go check that out, I will leave a link in the description for you. And with that link, I do not get any money from it. However, I could earn points towards free products, if that makes any sense. But it's no price for you unless you buy a box. And I'm just taking this hot cocoa color right here, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner and the inner corner. It's okay if you get it in the center because we are gonna go back in with some concealer, but try your hardest not to get it in the center. It will make it easier for you when we get to that point. And I'm just doing this because I really want it rounded on the sides instead of having that point, because I will not be doing a wing liner. It's just going to be straight across. You could add a wing liner to this look. However, I think when it's a circle kind of eyeshadow look, I don't think that a wing liner looks the best. Next, I'm gonna go in with this palette. I'm gonna take this brown color right here, and I'm also gonna put it on my outer corner and my inner corner. However, I'm gonna keep it more in, not bring it as out. You'll understand. And believe me, you always have to trust the process. Fun fact, I didn't even get to go to my prom, sadly. I wish I would have went, but my boyfriend didn't want to go and I didn't want to go alone and I had no one else to go with, so I missed out on prom. It's okay. I know that if I did go, I wouldn't have liked it because I'm such a homebody and I don't like a whole bunch of people around me. I have really bad social anxiety, so I'll be like, oh, these people are watching how I'm walking, like, why am I walking like this? You look weird. Why are you doing that? People think you're weird. Just how my brain. But since I didn't go, I wish I did. Also didn't go to my graduation, and I am not sad that I did not go to that. But for you guys who are going to, I hope you guys have a wonderful time, and I hope you guys stay safe. Take it all in and kind of celebrate the last 12 years. I'm taking this white color right here and I'm gonna go ahead and blend around this shadow just to make it so there's not like a sharp line around it or at the top of it. Blending is all about adding colors and going back and forth between the colors that you are using. So I'm gonna take my Miami Lights palette again and go in with this color and blend around this darker color. Really just tapping it on. I'm now going to take my concealer and put it on the back of my hand and take a flat brush and go right in the center where we did not put any of that eyeshadow. Kind of carve out a line I'm tapping and I'm bringing it up at the same time and moving it down. I'm gonna do that to the sides of where we put it, so it should look like that. Now I'm gonna take this white color right here and put it right on top of that concealer, and this will set that concealer and make sure it does not go anywhere. Now with another flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here and I'm gonna tap it on the outside of this white. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Shimmer Lights palette again and I'm gonna go in with those sparkles right here. And these are more of a sparkle than a shimmer. Like when you're using a shimmer eye, that's a shimmer. And this is the sparkle. So it's a little different from a shimmer eyeshadow, but if you only have a shimmer eyeshadow, that will be okay as well. With shimmer eyeshadows, I usually go in with my finger. However, with this sparkle eyeshadow, I will go in with a flat brush. And I'm going right on top of this concealer, really tapping this on. And if you mess up anywhere, like on the sides, it is super easy to clean it up if you take your brush that you put on your setting powder with and just go in the line where you want it to be. Since I want to curve this, I am curving my brush. So now, you could either put a brown eyeshadow on your waterline, or you could go in with a color, maybe the color of your dress. I think that would look really pretty. I'm gonna go in with a pink and put it under there. Alright, and do not forget some highlighter in the inner corner of your eye. I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner on and false lashes, and I'll be right back. So I added my eyeliner and false lashes. I'm now going to take my mascara, and the mascara that I'm going to be using is Kill Lash by Cleo. And my lashes, they're just from the Dollar Tree, so nothing special about them. And I'm just blending my lashes into my false lashes, since I did not put mascara on before I put my lashes on. To make them blend better as well, you could always tightline your upper lash line, which is just going in with a black pencil eyeliner and just putting it on the top, just like you would if you were putting black eyeliner in your waterline, which is on the bottom. Now that you have your mascara, you can go ahead and go in with your highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm using is Ofra X Nikki Tutorials in the shade Glazed Donut. And now for lipstick. The lipstick I'm going to be using is Dose of Colors in the shade Old Flame. Now I'm going to go in with a lip gloss right on top of this, and the lip gloss that I'm taking is Youthforia Play With Fire. And this is the finished look. I hope I helped you in any way, and I hope you have a wonderful time at prom if that's what you were using this video for. And please remember to stay safe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss the next video. I'll see you next time. Bye.